Can Varo Bank accounts be garnished? Can Varo Bank be garnished? Yes, Varo Bank accounts can be garnished just like accounts at traditional banks. If a court orders money to be taken for unpaid debts, child support, taxes, and the sort, Varo must follow the law. So garnishment basically means a judge tells a bank to take money from your account so that your debts can be settled. While Varo Bank is a digital first or online based bank without physical buildings, they still have to obey the same rules as everybody because they are also FDIC insured and the law also applies to them. So it has to be a court order for them to seize money from your accounts. Just remember that.